Lamp installation method. 1. Loosen the lamp holder fixing screws. 2. Remove the threaded tube and E26 lamp holder core. 3. Install the light bulb. 4. Align the lampshade with the notch. Place it in. Rotate to fit the support plate. 5. Mount the lamp holder. Tighten the screws to secure it. Installation completed. Instructions for adjusting wire length. 1. First, loosen the fixing screw. 2. Pull out the track head. 3. Loosen the wire, readjust to your desired length, then secure it in place. 4. Attach it to the track rail. 5. Install the wire spool, and finally tighten the fixing screw to lock. Installation complete. Swap it out for a dimmable 3-color temperature bulb. And you can set the perfect mood for any occasion. It's now officially in stock at KivenLighting. Multiple sizes available. Find KivenLighting's official product link in the description for details. KivenLighting offers exclusive customization services, featuring a wide range of wire styles and wire lengths, tailored to your requirements. Customizable track heads. H, J, L type options available. Track bar compatible.